Hey, this is Mike. We got another Jeep Grand Cherokee on the lot. This one's a 2010 in white. It's got the nice Jeep grille there. Alloy wheels. And it looks like a new set of tires, or fairly new. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it's got the luggage rack on the top. Grand Cherokee. Got a little bit of tint on the back glass there. It's the Laredo. Let's check out the back here. All right, you've got the mat, the storage mat, and you've got this thing right here where you can hook in place, and it kind of covers up your stuff. If you got stuff back there and you want to cover it up, either the sun not shining on it or people seeing it, you can cover that up. And underneath the mat, we've got a little storage, pretty good size storage compartment there. And you've got your net on here on the right side. And that's about it for the back there. It's pretty good size space though. Alrighty. Now let's check out the back seat. Here's the door. You've got a pocket there on the back. Pocket here and the handle here. Power windows. And there's a speaker here. These seats do fold down. There's a little, it's kind of hard to see. Right here there's this little loop. You can pull on that and they come right on down. That way you got a much bigger area for moving stuff or storage space. Alrighty, and that other side goes down too as well. You've got your vents right here, so your back passengers can stay cool or warm. And here's your cup holder that like goes out of the way when you don't want to use it, and that way you got a center passenger space. Alrighty, here's the front. Front door. Here's a pocket here, little pocket right there. And you've got the power windows, power door locks, power side mirrors, heated side mirrors. And the driver's side is a power seat, but the passenger side is not. Alrighty, let me climb in here. See what it looks like. Turn the fan down. Alrighty. Okay, we've got some different controls here, just buttons here on the steering wheel. You got a volume on the back of the steering wheel. That way you can adjust it from the steering wheel. And some different options here, which changes on the on your display here in your dash. But go ahead and push that compass, put that back on there so you can see it's got digital compass, digital temperature. As you can see, it's pretty hot today. We're in the sun. And easy to read gauges and all that good stuff. There's your Jeep symbol on the steering wheel. And your cruise control is down here. You've got the Uconnect system. Make sure that's not blowing on the camera. Alright, the Uconnect system, I noticed in the this right here in the video appears to be flashing. It's not flashing. This is steady. Some of the videos shows the lights flashing or blinking or whatever. That's not blinking. Now you can connect your phone to this system, and you know, you basically have a satellite ready, Sirius satellite radio, and CD player and stuff like that, which also plays MP3s. MP3s, Sirius. Okay, and then you've got an auxiliary input for your iPod or whatever. And this vehicle does have traction control, and there's your climate control stuff there. You've got two power supplies, one on that side and this side. You've got a little pocket in here. You've got a little pocket here. And you got a pocket here, and there's your shifter, and here's your 2 cup holders, and like a little pen holder or something pocket there. Alrighty, now your center console is here. It's like a pretty soft, and let's pull that up, and in the bottom of the lid you've got a little net pocket here, and there's a big pocket here, and then you got little change pieces there, and you look like a little place for a pen, which is that's handy. Alrighty, and glove compartment. Now let's look up here. We've got the tap lights, so it's easy to just go ahead and turn the light on real fast if you want to read something, a map or whatever. Place for your sunglasses here. Alrighty, and here is the visor mirror here. Okay. Alrighty, here is the view out the back. It's got the side airbags, rear airbags, pretty much airbags all around. Alrighty, if you're interested in this vehicle and you want to come take it for a test drive, see if it's right for you, my name is Mike, and my phone number and email address will be in the description. Alright, I'll see you next time.